The personal injury landscape in Colorado is changing with more out-of-state and venture-backed firms entering the market. Joining us is Brian Matlin with Matlin Injury Law to explain what it means for clients and how his firm is taking a different approach. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you? Doing
pretty well. A lot of conversations are stirring about this right now, especially in our Southern Colorado community. So we need to start with this. What are you seeing right now in the Colorado personal injury law landscape?
Yeah, right now there's a lot of out-of-state firms that are coming into town. There's people that are, big corporations are bringing in money. They're buying off law firms. So firms that you see on TV that you think are owned by one person, they're actually not. They're now being owned and controlled by big companies with a lot of money that are coming in and directing basically how the law firm operates.
So how is that kind of changing the industry then, especially with these venture-backed capital businesses, but also just in the local aspect as well?
Yeah, they're just coming in and they're trying to make money, and it's going to be at the expense of me and you or anybody who's injured in a car crash or something else. They're coming in and their one goal is to make money. It's not to take care of people, it's to be as impersonal as possible. It's to hire AI agents to fire off all their employees. And basically it's coming at a detriment to anybody who's local, anybody who's injured, somebody who wants to be taken care of.
Yeah.
This money's coming in and it's ruining it basically.
What kind of concerns then does this create for clients who are looking for that legal representation when something like a car accident, you get injured in a way that you never thought you would be before, and this might be a kind of vulnerable time in somebody's life? What has that hurt somebody?
No, of course. I mean, what's happening is if you're injured in a car crash, for instance, you want to be able, you're hiring a lawyer, so you want to talk to a lawyer, you want to talk to actual staff. When these out-of-state firms or the VC money is coming in, sometimes they don't even have employees, and you have to just chat with chatbots, and you don't have, you never even get to talk to your lawyer. I get calls all the time, people complaining, Brian, is this normal? Like, my lawyer hasn't contacted me in 3 months. And it's like, no, that's not normal. You should be talking to your lawyer every couple of weeks. You should be talking to your staff all the time and always know what's going on with your case.
Yeah.
And that's a big thing that we're seeing is people are firing these bigger firms, coming to smaller, more local firms like ours, and actually getting the service, getting taken care of as they deserve.
Let's kind of shout out what you guys do at Matlin Law and how your approach is different when handling these kinds of cases.
Yeah, I mean, it starts at the top. So whenever you think of a law firm, you're wondering, like, how much is this going to cost me?
Yeah.
Well, when you hire us, you don't pay anything up front. And in fact, we promise to never make more than our clients. We always promise to lower our fee to make sure that the clients always walk out the door with more money than us. We'll make sure your doctor bills get paid. You won't have any debt whatsoever. We're going to get paid after we make sure that you guys are taken care of first. And so that's one thing that we do different. We've also completely rebranded our firm. So now our slogan is because it's personal, and that's because a car crash and a legal experience is a personal experience. You want to have somebody that's there in your corner that you can talk to and have a personal, friendly kind of relationship with. And so that's what we've prioritized, is the communication and making sure that our clients are being taken care of and giving a personal touch to every client that we can.
And it sounds nice too, because you said it is the local, and you always want to make sure that your client ends up on top, especially when you are working with a firm. And when you work with somebody local, it's easier to do something like that than when you work with a big branch who kind of has these guidelines, and like you said, the computer chatbots that are just like, no, this is how it is, this is how it has to be. You have that flexibility to work with your clients.
For sure. And I mean, I'm a real person. We're having a conversation. Anybody can call our law firm and say, hey, I really want to talk to Brian. I'll pick up the phone and jump on the phone and talk to you. It's supposed to be a very easy, stress-free experience, because there's enough stress with getting into a car crash that we try to make it as personable and as stress-free as we can.
All right, Brian, what should somebody be looking for when choosing a personal injury lawyer in today's market?
I think you want to find somebody, obviously go on Google, read the Google reviews, try to figure out which reviews are fake, which ones are real. Find somebody that you can relate with. Call multiple different law firms, interview the firms, right? You don't have to pick the first person that you see on TV or the first person that you call. Call a few different firms, see who you have a more personal connection with, and hopefully it's our firm, right? Hopefully you call us and you talk to Jenna or you talk to me, and you get to see that we're actually people that care and just somebody that wants to help you get better and make sure that you get compensated for what you deserve.
I was just thinking, like, those big purchases. You never just buy the first one you see. You got to shop around a little bit and what works best for you, and that's the perfect way to do it, and especially when you go local with Matlin Law. Brian, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
You can find a little bit more information by giving them a call, like Brian told us. Visit that website or go see them in person. They've got a location right here in Southern Colorado. Brian, thanks again.
Thank you, guys.
And this segment has been sponsored by Matlin Injury Law.